How can you do that? I love you and you love me, and this is stupid. Take your huge shoulders and fuck off with whatever shit guy you've met. So predictable. I think you just need someone. How disappointing. You didn't love me and you can't get it into your head. Go fuck this new guy. Where was my support? You're so much like my exes. You make me feel sick. You can't deal with it. You were the only person. I love you so much. Jesus, I feel ill, lost weight, and can barely think. I didn't mean to. That's the point. I'm going. You do the same in my place. I know how you work. Never been like this. In my stupid head, you're mine, and you don't want me. You looked so cute. I couldn't sleep from thinking you wrapped around me. You're being aggressive. No one cares about some pale guy who's holding a dog. Checked if you'd read that. I hope you don't regret that, like deleting me.